At this moment, there should be a dry season already, beginning of the dry season, but as you can see, it's really raining today. Thunderstorm. I'm happy I'm not somewhere in the mountains at the moment. It will be really annoying. Yeah, next time you teach me how to do this one.
This one is like from Star Wars, you know that?
Yeah.
Princess.
The princess from the Star Wars. Girls go diving. They will do the afternoon dive and the night dive. They're going to the same dive site where we did the cleanup yesterday. See you later.
I don't know what kind of condition is there, but first I will check. But I think we'll be okay.
Have to be okay. Bye. I decided to not go because I don't have a camera, and there's ways the point to. It's interesting when you can photograph, but if you have just to crawl around and even you find something, okay, how long you will look at it? When you photograph, then you spend a lot of time trying to figure out the best position for the light, catch the focus, maybe different angle. That's interesting. If you have no camera, boring. I will go and check out what the guys doing. They just brought a new boat, not really a classic jukung, it's a triple size of the normal jukung, the Vajan's new fishing boat. So I will go and check how they carrying it to the sea. Maybe it will help. They should carry you, but now it's just floating. Look at that! How deep is it? The most important is for the episode is to leave the house. As long you leave the house, there's always something happening here. And so now they're just, the boat is in a place. Everybody's happy. Easy job. Mountains looks amazing, by the way. Sorry for the sound, but whenever microphone becomes wet, the sound is terrible. Adventure always is adventure.
Not that big.
I wanna see how this dog will cross it. One cross. There's a lot of water coming now. Need help? Back. I think it's enough adventure for me today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. There will be ta-da! See you tomorrow. Bye.